Life insurance is probably better referred to as death and disability insurance, but it's really easy to see why it's not. And while no one wants to make a claim on this insurance, knowing you've got your family's back in the event of the unthinkable can help you live and sleep better. Before you take out a policy, have a think about a few tough but really important questions. If you died, would your family be able to maintain its current standard of living? And what about any future goals they might have, such as going to university? And if you're permanently disabled, what kind of financial support do you need to pay not just the medical bills, but also the regular ones? These are the things you want to be thinking about when you're weighing up how much cover you want versus the cost of each policy. When you take out a life insurance policy, you'll typically be asked whether you want a few additional layers of cover, such as income protection insurance, total and permanent disability insurance or TPD, and then there's trauma insurance, which pays you a lump sum if you suffer a serious injury or illness. As with most insurance, what's covered in each of these policies can vary. So read the fine print to understand not just what circumstances you have cover for, but also exactly how your insurer defines each medical condition. Finally, most super funds provides its members with life and TPD insurance, which can often cost less than a direct insurance policy. However, in many cases, it's unlikely to give you the level of cover you want or need, particularly on a base level of cover and especially for those with dependents. While you can typically increase your level of cover within your super, it's really a good idea to compare this to a standalone policy to understand the differences, not just in the cost, but most importantly in the cover. With each life stage comes different responsibilities, from living with a partner, having kids, buying your first home and your mortgage, through to downsizing and retirement, making it really important to review your insurance at least at each of these life stages. Or, if you're someone who likes diarising these things, once every few years. Never my favourite job to do in the list, but it's an important one for you and your family. I'm Sally Tyndall, Canstar's Data Insights Director, and to compare life insurance options, visit canstar.com.au.